Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, your sanctuary for understanding the beautiful, complex world of sleep. Tonight, under the theme of Moonlit Shadows, we're going to embark on a journey into the heart of slumber, exploring why it's so vital and how we can all get more of it. Think of this less as a formal lecture and more as a cozy late-night chat about one of life's greatest pleasures. So let's start with the big question. Why do we sleep? It feels like we're just switching off, but our brains and bodies are actually incredibly busy. It's like a highly efficient night crew coming in to clean, repair, and organize everything for the day ahead. During sleep, our brains consolidate memories, sifting through the day's experiences and deciding what to keep and what to discard. This is why a good night's rest can help you remember what you studied or solve a problem that seemed impossible the day before. Our bodies get a major tune-up too. Muscles repair themselves, hormones that regulate growth and appetite are released, and our immune system gets a powerful boost. Have you ever noticed that you're more likely to catch a cold when you're sleep deprived? That's your immune system telling you it needs more downtime to recharge its defenses. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a non-negotiable biological necessity, just like breathing or eating. It's the foundation upon which our physical health and mental clarity are built. Now let's talk about the architecture of sleep. It's not just one long, uniform state. We cycle through different stages, each with a unique purpose. The two main types are non-REM, or NREM sleep, and REM, which stands for Rapid Eye Movement Sleep. When you first drift off, you enter the lighter stages of NREM sleep. Your heart rate and breathing slow down, your muscles relax, and your body temperature drops. This is the gateway to deeper rest. As the cycle progresses, you sink into deep NREM sleep, also known as slow wave sleep. This is the most restorative phase. It's incredibly difficult to be woken up from this stage, and if you are, you'll feel groggy and disoriented. This is when your body does its most critical physical repairs. Think of it as the deep clean cycle for your entire system. This stage is crucial for feeling refreshed and energized when you wake up. Then comes the star of the show for many people, REM sleep. This is where most of our vivid dreaming happens. Your brain activity during REM sleep looks remarkably similar to when you're awake. Your eyes dart back and forth behind your closed eyelids, which is where the name comes from. While your brain is buzzing, your body's major muscles are temporarily paralyzed. This clever safety mechanism, called atonia, prevents you from acting out your dreams. REM sleep is vital for emotional regulation and memory consolidation, helping us process the day's feelings and lock in new skills. We go through this NREM to REM cycle about 4 to 6 times a night, with each cycle lasting around 90 minutes. So, if sleep is so important, why do so many of us struggle with it? The modern world seems almost designed to disrupt our natural sleep patterns. One of the biggest culprits is our constant exposure to blue light from screens, phones, tablets, computers, and TVs. This light tricks our brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals our body it's time to sleep. This is why scrolling through your phone in bed is one of the worst things you can do for your sleep quality. Our fast-paced, high-stress lifestyles also play a huge role. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, the fight or flight hormone. Elevated cortisol levels at night can make it incredibly difficult to relax and fall asleep. That feeling of your mind racing with worries as soon as your head hits the pillow. That's often cortisol at work, keeping you on high alert when you should be winding down. The demands of work, family, and social obligations can leave us feeling like there just aren't enough hours in the day, and sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice. But here's the good news. We have the power to reclaim our sleep. It starts with creating a sleep-friendly environment and adopting healthy habits, often called sleep hygiene. Let's walk through some practical steps you can take, starting tonight. First, your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. This means keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Blackout curtains, an eye mask, or earplugs can be fantastic tools. Your bed should be comfortable and used primarily for sleep. Working or eating in bed can weaken the mental association between your bed and rest. Next, establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Your body thrives on routine, and a predictable sleep schedule is one of the most powerful signals you can send it. Creating a relaxing pre-sleep ritual is also key. About an hour before you plan to go to sleep, start winding down. This is your personal power down sequence. Turn off all screens. Instead, try reading a physical book under dim, warm light. Take a warm bath, which can help lower your body temperature afterward, signaling sleep. Listen to calming music, do some gentle stretching, or practice mindfulness meditation. The goal is to create a clear transition from the hustle of your day to a state of calm and rest. What you consume during the day matters too. Be mindful of caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine is a stimulant that can stay in your system for hours, so it's best to avoid it in the afternoon and evening. While alcohol might make you feel drowsy initially, it actually disrupts your sleep architecture later in the night, particularly REM sleep, leading to a less restorative rest. A light, healthy snack before bed is fine, but a heavy meal can cause indigestion that interferes with sleep. If you find yourself lying in bed awake for more than 20 minutes, get up. Don't just lie there feeling frustrated. Go to another room and do something relaxing under dim light, like reading or listening to quiet music until you feel sleepy again. Then return to bed. This helps break the cycle of anxiety and strengthens the association between your bed and actually sleeping. Remember, improving your sleep is a journey, not an overnight fix. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. If you continue to struggle with significant sleep problems, it's really important to talk to a healthcare professional. There could be an underlying issue like sleep apnea or insomnia that requires medical attention. Never hesitate to seek help when you need it. There are effective treatments and support systems available. Tonight, I encourage you to try just one of these suggestions. Maybe it's putting your phone away an hour before bed. Maybe it's creating a new, calming routine. Small changes can make a massive difference over time. Let's start treating our sleep with the respect it deserves, seeing it not as lost time, but as a crucial investment in our health, happiness, and well-being. Thank you so much for joining me for this moonlit chat. I hope you feel a little more empowered to embrace the shadows and find the restful sleep you deserve. Sweet dreams, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the fascinating world of our minds. See you next time.